Did you know that some everyday foods can literally turn on your body's built-in defense systems, protecting you from disease, boosting your immunity, and even slowing down aging?
But one of the most amazing properties is that there's certain foods that can really light up our body's health. So in my book, Eat to Beat Disease, I have a whole section called Exceptional Foods.
Dr. William Li is a physician, scientist, and best-selling author who's changing how we think about food and health. As president of the Angiogenesis Foundation, he's shown how the right foods can help the body heal itself. His best-selling book, Eat to Beat Disease, explores this science, and his latest, Eat to Beat Diet, dives deeper into how food can burn fat, boost metabolism, and support long life.
So in my book, Eat to Beat Disease, I have a whole section called Exceptional Foods. And of course, there's lots of things that are about individual foods that are amazing. But one of the most amazing properties is that there's certain foods that can really light up our body's health defenses. We got 5 health defenses: angiogenesis, our circulation, our stem cells that help us regenerate from the inside out, our gut microbiome, healthy gut, healthy brain, healthy metabolism, our DNA, which protects us against the environment, and of course our immune system. So those 5, we can actually match one food with one system, but there are some foods that hit all 5, and that's really where the term grand slammer come from. So you don't even have to be a baseball fan to know that if you have one swing of the bat and you can knock it out of the park and drive everybody home, that's actually what I'm talking about.
Before diving into the foods themselves, let's take a moment to explore the 5 natural health defenses that make this concept truly thrilling. Consider them your body's secret superpowers. Angiogenesis is the remarkable process by which your body develops and mends blood vessels, ensuring robust circulation while effectively combating harmful diseases. Regeneration comes next, fueled by stem cells that silently mend damage and keep tissues youthful and robust. Your microbiome is the 3rd key player, trillions of gut bacteria that shape your digestion, immunity, metabolism, and even your mood. The 4th aspect is DNA protection, highlighting your body's capacity to shield itself from environmental harm and the inevitable effects of aging. Your immune system stands as the ultimate frontline defense, tirelessly protecting you against infections and chronic diseases. While many foods may enhance 1 or 2 systems, Grand Slammer foods uniquely engage all 5, setting them apart as truly exceptional.
So it basically boils down into about 12.5 of foods that fit into fruit, vegetables, beverages, sweets, oils, seafood that actually hit the Grand Slammer category. So let's start with some of them that, I think are common, right? So apricots and blueberries, they actually amazingly hit all 5 of your health defense system. Good for your circulation, they're good for your immunity, and good for your gut health at the same time. So if you wanted to kind of find the shortest distance between 2 lines, the line being you at the supermarket and picking out one of the, the whole selection of things, and you just wanted to be able to activate your health as much as possible. If you picked up a box of blueberries, that would actually do it. So, like in the fruits and vegetables, it's apricot, blueberries, cherries.
Let's begin with one of the best known and loved of these foods, blueberries. Blueberries may be tiny, but they are nutritional giants when it comes to protecting your health. What makes them so extraordinary is their ability to activate all 5 of your body's natural health defenses, earning them a spot as one of the ultimate Grand Slammer foods. Packed with antioxidants called anthocyanins, blueberries work wonders for your DNA, shielding cells from oxidative stress and reducing damage that leads to aging and disease. Their antioxidants also improve angiogenesis, helping keep blood vessels flexible and healthy, which reduces the risk of heart disease and strokes. For immunity, blueberries fight inflammation throughout the body, boosting your defense against infections and chronic illness. They also have the unique ability to improve regeneration. Compounds in blueberries help activate stem cells that repair and renew tissues, keeping your body functioning at its best. And let's not forget the gut. Blueberries act like fuel for your microbiome, feeding beneficial bacteria that regulate digestion, metabolism, and even mood. A healthy gut translates into stronger overall health. Delicious and versatile, blueberries are easy to add to your day. Blend them into smoothies, toss them into oatmeal, or snack on them fresh. Every handful supports your body from the inside out, proving that sometimes the smallest foods deliver the biggest benefits. Apricots. Now let's turn to a fruit that doesn't always get the attention it deserves: apricots. These little golden orange fruits are packed with nutrients that can transform your health. They are rich in vitamin A, which protects your eyes and skin, and vitamin C, which bolsters your immune system and supports youthful collagen production. Their fiber content improves digestion, balances cholesterol, and keeps blood sugar stable. They also contain potassium, which regulates blood pressure and keeps your heart healthy. Beyond these advantages, apricots are a great summertime food because of their high water content, which surprisingly hydrates. They are also adaptable, tasting great when cooked into savory dishes and desserts, chewy and sweet when dried, and juicy and refreshing when consumed fresh. Apricots demonstrate that nutrient-dense foods don't always have to be fancy. They can be found in your grocery store aisle in plain, everyday form. Kiwi.
Kiwi is one of my favorite. And the reason I love kiwi is because, it's a sort of innocuous looking fruit. It sits on like your fruit bowl in your house until it kind of shrivels sometimes if you don't eat it regularly. But if you cut it open, it's this gorgeous emerald green inside with this kind of starburst in the middle of it. And what I love about it, it's not very sweet. It's sweet, but not cloyingly sweet. It's not like one of my favorite things, like a juicy peach. It's not that sweet. And you get vitamin C, you get fiber, and that actually is also a grand slammer, which I think is a real delight.
The kiwi may look humble from the outside with its fuzzy brown skin, but slice it open and you'll find a vibrant green fruit bursting with nutrition. What makes kiwi truly exceptional is its ability to activate all 5 of the body's health defenses, making it a grand slammer food for wellness. First, kiwi is one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C, even higher than oranges. This supercharges your immune system, helping your body fight infections and boosting resilience. Second, its unique combination of antioxidants, including vitamin E and polyphenols, protects your DNA from oxidative stress, slowing down aging and reducing the risk of chronic disease. Kiwi also supports angiogenesis, the body's process of maintaining healthy blood vessels. The high levels of potassium and antioxidants improve circulation, keeping your heart and vessels strong. For regeneration, kiwi contains bioactive compounds that help stem cells repair tissue damage and promote healing from the inside out. Finally, kiwi is packed with fiber and prebiotics, which nourish your gut microbiome. A balanced gut boosts digestion, regulates metabolism, and even supports brain health. Low in calories yet rich in nutrients, kiwi is an easy and delicious way to power up your body's natural defenses. Whether you enjoy it fresh, blended in smoothies, or added to salads, this little green fruit is proof that big health benefits can come in small packages. So there you have it, 3 Grand Slammer foods: blueberries, apricots, and kiwi. Each one is delicious, widely available, and scientifically proven to activate all 5 of your body's health defenses. They strengthen circulation, regenerate tissues, balance your microbiome, protect your DNA, and boost immunity all at once. And the best part is, you don't need to do anything complicated. Just add these fruits into your everyday meals and snacks. Just a quick reminder, these foods can help support your body's natural defenses, but they're not a magic cure. Everyone's different, so if you've got health concerns or medical conditions, it's always best to check in with your doctor before making big changes to your diet. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on new tips. And I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite way to enjoy these Grand Slammer foods? Do you toss blueberries into your breakfast, snack on dried apricots, or maybe blend kiwi into a smoothie? Share your ideas in the comments. I'd love to try them myself. Stay healthy, keep eating wisely, and I'll see you in the next video.